digging our way.
Lewis, go do some digging.
Get him on it.
Go do some digging.
We'll get him on that programme that was called.
Go on, go get your spade and your bag.
We'll dub a voice. Kind of like we'll dub a voice over you. Did you get me 6?
20, yeah. Got 40.
Where's the rest of them then?
Got 40. 20 I just opened and 20 there. You told me you wanted to get 40.
What about yours?
Look at mine as well. Louis, do some digging.
61, so I said 40.
Are they going? So stop it, or just press. What do I press?
Just that button again. No, I don't want it to be on it. Thank you very much. Kelly, I'll take it off you.